Ah, the month anniversary of making her bed. Oh, God, that's really hard. Perfect. Monica!
Don't talk to me.
What's wrong?
It's my blanket.
What?
I missed my blanket.
You lost your blanket?
I hit that memory.
I just saw your blanket in there. It's on your bed, honey.
I doubt it.
You want me? Stand up. It's right there. Come on.
Don't touch me.
Come on. Get your butt
Tell me
up.
lies.
Okay. I'll bring you your blanket, okay? See?
Oh my gosh, the fucking blanket.
Are you happy now? You're some freaky child. Well, she's happy.